It only makes sense that the markets are warming up to a company that finds new ways to involve your smartphone with your fitness routine. Uber's in trouble. It's forced to clarify the difference between employees and contractors. And McDonald's setting sights overseas, which does not bode well for American workers. Markets closed now. Here comes the Money Master open for business. The editor for the Financial Intelligence Report here at Newsmax, Jeff Yastine, joins us on MidPoint. Jeff, pretty good day for the Dow Jones, but the big news, I guess, immediately is coming out of the EU.
Yeah, that's correct. The EU is calling an emergency finance ministers meeting for Monday to talk about the Greece situation. There was another meeting today that ended without any particular resolution. And so we have Monday, and really through the end of the month, there's another bigger summit meeting coming up in Europe at the end of this month. So likely for the next 15 days or so, we're still going to be hearing about Greece, so stay tuned on that. But that said, the market was ignoring all that, and we have the Dow finishing up 178 points, the NASDAQ gaining 65, set a new intraday all-time record, finished 2 points below its all-time record set way back in 2000, and we had the S&P 500 gaining 20 points. By the way, the small caps, the Russell 2000, also setting a new all-time high today. So the markets, investors looking elsewhere besides Europe today, and really, I guess, more of a relief rally coming out of the Fed meeting from yesterday more than anything else.
All right, 90 seconds, three things. Let's get to it. Fitbit IPO could be worth $4 billion by the time they're done.
The key for this company is going to be, is it a platform? Is it something you're going to keep using, not just now or when your fitness routine ends, when you get lazy, but is it going to be a key part of your everyday existence the way an iPhone is? That's going to be the key for Fitbit going forward. Did have a good day. It was up about 50% if you were lucky enough to buy the shares when it actually, was the IPO price.
Yastine, you didn't tell me to do it. I'm going to go ahead and blame you on this one, all right?
Nobody could do it unless you're friends of the CEO.
See? There you go. We got to get the insider stuff. Oop, didn't mean to say that out loud. Yes, I did. Uber, the California Labor Commission's office, has ruled that a woman was an employee and not a contractor. That's huge when it comes down to their profit margins.
It is, and it could potentially derail Uber's plans for going public. They're going to appeal this. It'll likely go to the California Supreme Court, and they're saying that this is just the opposite of what that same agency said a few years ago regarding this contractor versus employee debate.
20 seconds. McDonald's closing stores in the U.S., but opening up big overseas.
Yeah, that's really where they see the full focus. They've been doing it for a long time. The bigger thing for American investors is that next year will likely be the first time since 1970 or perhaps ever from McDonald's where they've actually shrunk their U.S. store base.
Here come the job numbers when that gets all done. All right. Don't forget, go to Newsmax.com, go to the Finance tab. Jeff Yastine and the team have it there 24/7. Jeff, always a pleasure, my friend. Thanks so much. We will talk to you again tomorrow, and we'll continue right here on MidPoint.